Welcome. Today's recipe is delicious butter chicken. Let's see how to make it. I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken for this. Let's marinate it. Pour ¼ cup of curd. With this, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them together. Close with the lid and refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat a fry pan, then pour 3 tablespoons of butter. Wait until it melts. Then fry the marinated chicken pieces into this. Fry them until it turns to brown. Once it is fried, transfer this into the plate. Now heat a fry pan, pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 3 chopped onions. Saute it until it turns to transparent and its edges to brown. Now add 6 chopped medium tomatoes. Now add 3 cloves, 1-inch size cinnamon, and 1 cardamom. Saute it. Now add 20 soaked cashew nuts into this. Better to soak the nuts before marinating the chicken. Now saute it until the tomatoes are sautéed well. If the tomatoes not sautéed well, the gravy will taste like a tomato chutney. If you use country tomato, then use just 4 tomatoes. Now transfer this into the blender jar. Grind it as nice paste. Now heat a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add half chopped onion and saute it. Now add ½ teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Crush it before adding. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it until its smell goes. Once sautéed, then add tomato onion paste into this. Add little amount of water as per your requirement. I have added approximately 1½ glass of water. Now add a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and the remainder of marinated batter. Mix it well. Close it and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the fried chicken pieces. Once boiling, sprinkle some dried fenugreek leaves. Now add ¼ cup of cream over this and mix it well. Now the butter chicken is ready. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends, comment and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.